In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Shopify Search and Discovery app. This app helps your customers find the right products faster and lets you control what shows up in search results and on collection pages. We'll walk through filters, product boosts, synonyms, recommendations, and key settings so you can make your store's search work the way you want. First, go to your Search and Discovery dashboard from your Shopify admin. Once you're on that dashboard, start with filters. Click on filters. Filters are what your customers see on collection pages in search results like category, color, size, and so on. Now click on Add Filter. This is where you decide what kind of filter you want to offer. Next, click on Select Source. Here, Shopify shows you different attributes you can use as filters. Choose the source that makes sense for your store. In this example, we'll select category. By doing this, you're allowing customers to filter products by category on your storefront, which can dramatically improve how quickly they find what they're looking for. When you're happy with your choice, click Save to activate that filter. Now let's move on to search features. Click on Search in the app's navigation. This area controls what happens when customers use your store's search bar. Inside Search, click on Product Boosts. Product Boosts let you push specific products higher in the results when customers search for certain terms. Click on the product you want to boost, then click on Create Product Boost. You'll now choose which product to boost. Click on Browse, select the product you want to highlight, and then click Add. After that, type in the search terms that should trigger this product to appear higher in the results. For example, if you're boosting a winter jacket, you might add terms like coat or parka. Click Add after each term. You can type another term, click Add again, and repeat this as many times as needed. When you're done adding all relevant search terms, click Save. Then click back to return to the main search section. From here, click on Synonyms. Synonyms help when customers use different words for the same thing. You can create synonym groups for products, pages, and articles so that similar terms all show the same relevant results. Next, click on Recommendations. This lets you control which products are recommended to customers, helping with upsells and cross-sells. Finally, click on Settings. Here you can fine-tune how search and filters behave. You can decide how filters with no matching products appear, whether they're hidden, shown at the end, or shown in the default order. You can also choose what appears in search results, what shows in predictive search as customers type, and how out-of-stock products are ordered in both. Adjust these settings to match your store's strategy and customer experience.